What's up, y'all? The temperature has dropped and it allows me to get in my hammock a little more often now. It's like what I call hammock season. And to be honest with you, I've been out here since about 11 o'clock this morning. So I'm about to go on 4 hours, just chilling, relaxing, practicing the life I want to live. But I've still been productive though. Been doing productive things, talking to people around the world about investing and trading and still being productive while relaxing. I just recently installed our new Forex software here. It's called Flash. It's the newest software that was released, and it was real easy to set up. They say it's only going to take about 30 minutes a week to manage, and so it's just a new software. There are many different softwares available in the marketplace to choose from, but I like things that are real simple just because of my lifestyle, and Flash is the newest, simplest one. And just another way to stay diversified. You know, I'm still in the stock market, I'm still in the cryptocurrency market, still in the real estate market, still in the peer-to-peer lending market, being a lender. So you just want to be diversified. And the Forex market is just my latest, and I want to say greatest tool in my belt. And I've only been here 2 years. You know, it's a over $7 trillion a day market, and so I'd be crazy to turn my back on it, especially if I have tools like software that can help me capitalize on it. So I'd be crazy to use the software and to also continue to advance my knowledge with my own manual trading. And then when you're operating in that realm, it just opens the doors to other things and other people that you can become connected to. And so now it allows me to have professionals also trading for me. So it's just a whole nother world that continues to open up. So yeah, I got a Zoom call to get on, and I'm debating whether I'm gonna stay in my hammock and participate in the Zoom call, or will I sit up in a chair and get on the Zoom call. So it's 3 o'clock, so time for me to go get on the Zoom call. Y'all have a great day, and whatever you're doing as an investor, as a trader, stay diversified, keep an open mind, and keep looking forward, because the old saying is get rich or die trying. My saying, get wealthy or die trying, because wealthy people write checks to rich people. Okay, don't ever forget that. All right, y'all, I gotta go. Peace.